Creative Fabrica allowing you to have multiple store? Now, this is a very important question, and I think I've made a video in the past as well. Now, that video is no longer valid because the platform has changed a lot. And I'm going to talk about my own experience here, and I'm going to tell about can you have multiple store on Creative Fabrica or not. Before it was different, now the game has changed so much. Let's talk about that. Give this video a big thumbs up, consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification for more such videos. I have courses, masterclasses if you're looking for making sales on Creative Fabrica. And I'm actually working on Creative Fabrica market masterclass as well, catering to the updated content, catering to what's happening on the platform and how to bring in sales at this time of okay, updated. So I'm working on that. So do consider subscribing for more upcoming videos like this. Anyways, can you have multiple stores on Creative Fabrica? The answer is no. Before it was like they were allowing to have multiple stores. In fact, I was having a multiple stores in the Creative Fabrica. Yes, I was having it. I'm going to cover in another video about the story of the multiple accounts or multiple store that I has a Creative Fabrica and what happened to them. I'll make another video for that. But the thing is that you cannot have multiple stores on Creative Fabrica at this time of filming this video. Before it was possible because before there was no verification process. Now you need to verify as a designer. They're gonna ask your documents. You have like a video verification. You enter your personal details first, and then you upload the documents based on your country and location, different documents. You need to upload one document, whatever you upload, okay, based on your country. And then you have a video verification, and we're gonna take a video and a picture of your face along with the document proof. And then it's going to go through a verification process, and then they're going to see and approve for your profile. And then only you're allowed to upload products or designs on Creative Fabrica. And then only you will be able to actually take your payout or receive your payout via the PayPal. Before, it was so different. Before, in the very beginning in 2020, 2021 or 2022, there was no verification process. And you can have multiple stores. I used to have 3 stores on Creative Fabrica, literally 3 stores, because it was so easy, and I know how to get an approval, and I still know how to get an approval because I've done it for myself. I've done it for my clients, for my friends, for so many people, and I know how to do that. So I personally had 3 stores back then, and there was no verification process. And I think the verification process started back in 2023 or late 2022 if I'm right. And even though the verification process started, it wasn't really compulsory or necessary or mandatory for a designer to go through the verification process. You still were allowed to have a multiple stores, and there was no like verification process was there in 2023, 2024, but they were not pushing it so hard. They were not telling every creator to have a verified account or a profile or a store. It was not mandatory. And recently, from a few weeks, I've seen maybe, or a month or so, or more than that, I don't know exactly. But in 2025, they pushing this verification process so hard that you cannot receive your payout if your account is not verified, if your store or profile is not verified, which can be hard for a creator who having a multiple store like I had the multiple store back. And when I verified one of my account, it got verified and I got approved. But when I'm going for another account, another store verification, it was giving the error that I cannot verify another store because I've already uploaded my documents in some other profile. I've already uploaded my document before for my first store. So I wasn't able to verify my second store, and then I have to lose that second store. So the multiple store strategy is no longer working at all on Creative Fabrica. It was back then working, and I had 3 stores. They're working perfectly well. Now I have to shut down 2 stores, and I am only left with 1 store at this time. So that's the case. It's a sad story, but it is what it is. That's what the case with the marketplace is. You don't have the control of what they can do to your store, to your product, to your designs, because those are third-party marketplaces. They can change their rules. They can change the game, and you go out of the platform. So that's why having multiple income streams is really beneficial. And I've been talking about this thing quite a while on my channel in various different videos, in various different ways, that having a multiple income stream is really beneficial, because anytime one income stream can go away and you're left with nothing. Because all these are third party marketplaces. You don't control, I don't control. We have to follow their rules if we want to sell on their platform, period. So you're not allowed to have multiple stores on Creative Fabrica at this time filming this video. Hopefully it makes sense. If you have any questions, any video topics, any suggestions, or even if you have any questions about Creative Fabrica, do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much. I'll see you next video. Bye bye.